if you can see, but the sun looks almost like the moon. We are in the middle of another dust storm. Check it out. It's like that one we had a couple months ago, July 9th, or was it July 6th? Huge dust storm. I smell rain mixed in it. See the pink color in the sky? And then there's the sun. There's north. Ooh, I just saw lightning. There's north of us. It's up towards Sedona, about 100 miles away.